Hattie. Doing a little tree trimming for me. You know, longhorns are foragers, not grazers. So they eat grass and leaves and trees, and they keep all these trees nice and pruned for us. Don't you, Miss Zoe? Here's your sister back here. Rebel Bang. Hey, Bang. You keeping things organized over here, trimmed up? Good girl. Here's Carmela. How sweet, girl. Hattie. 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 Hattie, come on. Let's go back to work, girl. Hattie. Let's go back to work. Go back to work. Get yourself some tree trimming done, okay? Yeah, look at them keeping these trees nice and pruned. Beautiful spring day here in Mingus, Texas.